So guys, the next function that we are going to check is the isnumeric method within the Boolean string methods. Now, this particular method is used to check whether a string consists of numeric characters or not. Yeah. Now, this method returns true if all characters in the input string are numeric and there is at least one character. Otherwise, it will return false. Now, the numeric characters uh, include digit characters and all characters that have Unicode numeric value. Yeah. Formally, numeric characters are those with the property value as numeric type is equal to digit, numeric type equal to decimal, yeah, and numeric type is equal to numeric, yeah. Let's see the syntax first before we dive into some examples so that to understand more about how this function works in real world scenario and how you can use it for your programming. So the syntax is string, which we have to evaluate for its whether it is numeric or not. String dot is numeric and the parenthesis. Parenthesis does not have any values or arguments that has to be passed in. Yeah. So this again returns the value as true or false. Yeah. So let's pass on an alphanumeric string. So suppose I have a string with bits and numbers. Let's see what happens with this. If we have string with alphabets and numbers both, so if I have a string which has numbers and alphabets, yes, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm checking whether it is numeric. And I'm checking at the end whether the particular string is numeric or not. Since there are alphabets or characters in the string, it is given the output as false because it is not numeric because there are characters available within the string. Yeah. Let's see another example which has all the characters as numeric. So let me take up this example. I'll just remove all characters and numbers. Yeah. So suppose I have all this as numbers. 675. Yeah. Let me see whether the string is numeric. Yeah, it gives me true because all the characters within the string. Why it is string? Again, let me remind you guys that it is enclosed within quotes. If I have not enclosed within the quote, then it would have been treated as number and string function cannot evaluate it and it will give you a type error. See the attribute error. Yeah. So int object cannot be used in a string method. So I have to in order to consider it as a string, this numbers as string, I have to put it within double quote. Now whether it is numeric, yes, it is numeric. Hence it is giving the output as true. Yeah. Suppose we have Unicode characters within the string. So suppose I have with Unicode characters. Yes. Suppose I have this Unicode character. For Unicode, again, we have to have this escape character /u. And we'll use the same Unicode code which we have used earlier. Yeah. Which is for a fraction. which is for a zero. For a zero, we will have 30. Yeah, so this is the Unicode for zero. Let's see whether it recognizes that it is a numeric. Yeah, it is true. So it is recognizing that it is numeric, and hence it is giving the output as true. Again, let's see. Previously, we had a fraction. You remember, if we remember, if we have an Unicode for fraction character for fraction, yeah. So Unicode for fraction was this one, yeah, which is this is the Unicode for p by 4, yeah, yeah. So it does give me the output as true because this is numeric. Yeah, fraction was not considered in digit. Please understand the difference between the is digit and is numeric. Is digit checks whether it is a number. Yeah, is numeric checks whether the particular string is a numeric expression. It has a numeric character. Yeah. Again, as we had previously, let's see whether it considers the Kotaski characters. Yeah, we'll have this same string. We'll get this some of this Kotaski characters for our input. This will remove the commas in between. Let me put it this way. We have the characters. Yes. Let's check whether it is able to recognize the Kutashki characters. Yes, it is true, which is for numbers. These are Kutashki, sorry, Karostik numbers. Yeah. So is numeric, as I said earlier, is the method to check whether the string consists of numeric characters or not. Yeah. In digit, previously we have seen whether string contains only digits. Yeah. Yeah, we are checking for numeric characters. Wherein fraction is a numeric character. Hence, it is not a digit, it is a numeric. Hence, it is giving true right now, while in digit, it showed us false. Hope you understood the difference between is digit and is numeric. Yeah. Hope you like this video. Do like, share, and comment if you have any other inputs on this video, which others can benefit as well. Do subscribe to my channel to get such insightful videos and learn Python easily with examples. Thank you so much.